In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Discord webhook and copy its URL. To get started, open Discord using either the desktop app or the web version in Chrome. Either option works for this process, so just use whichever one is more convenient for you. Once Discord is open, make sure you're logged in and looking at the correct server where you want the webhook to be created. This is important because webhooks are tied to a specific server and can only be used within that server's setup. Next, go to your server's settings. You can usually find this by selecting the server and opening its settings menu. Inside the server settings area, look for the integration section. This is where Discord groups together connections and automation tools related to your server. After you click integrations, find the webhooks option and open it. If you have the right permissions in the server, you'll be able to create and manage webhooks from here. If you don't see the option, you may need administrator access or the appropriate server permissions before continuing. Once you're in the webhook section, click create webhook. Discord will instantly generate a new webhook entry for you. This webhook acts like a special connection point that allows external apps, bots, or automated systems to send messages into your Discord server without needing to log in like a normal user. After creating it, you may see options to customize the webhook, such as its name, icon, or the channel it posts to. Even if you plan to adjust those settings later, the key thing for this tutorial is that the webhook has now been created successfully. Finally, copy the generated webhook URL. This URL is the main piece of information you'll need when connecting Discord to another platform or tool. Be careful with it because anyone who has access to that URL may be able to send messages through your webhook. For that reason, avoid sharing it publicly and store it somewhere secure if you need to use it later. Once copied, your webhook is ready to be used in whatever integration or automation you're setting up. That's it. You've opened Discord, created a webhook inside your server settings, and copied the webhook URL so it's ready for use.